The MOKiN 12-in-1 USB-C hub offers a budget-friendly way to expand your device's connectivity. Priced under $60, it includes HDMI up to 4K at 60 Hz, gigabit Ethernet, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, and SD-TF card slots. It's a solid choice for users needing basic port expansion for everyday tasks like connecting to external displays, transferring files, and using peripherals. However, be aware of its limitations. Performance can dip under heavy loads, with some users reporting overheating and connectivity drops during prolonged use, such as video streaming or extended file transfers. Recent updates have improved compatibility, and some models now feature faster USB 3.2 Gen 2, but it lacks the premium build quality and features of higher-end hubs like those from Anker. Ultimately, it's worth it for the price if you understand its limitations and primarily need it for light to moderate use. The MOKiN 12-in-1 USB-C hub offers versatile port options to expand your device's connectivity. It also supports USB-C power delivery up to 100 watts for efficient charging. Performance includes reliable 4K at 30 Hz HDMI output, though it may drop to 1080p at 60 Hz under heavy load. Ethernet speeds reach nearly 1,000 megabits, and USB ports deliver up to 5 GB transfer rates. Key considerations include power management. The hub draws power from your device, so connect an external charger to prevent battery drain. Its aluminum alloy build is portable, but plastic connectors may wear. User reviews praise value for money, though heat issues and connectivity drops occur. For optimal use, avoid overloading and ensure proper ventilation. If you need reliability for demanding tasks, consider premium alternatives with Thunderbolt support or AI features.